Hi everyone, I want to show you how to add products into WooCommerce, including SEO Yoast. So what SEO Yoast does is it enables you to add a keyword by product. Now a keyword can be a phrase, it just doesn't have to be one word. It could be yoga studio or drink bottle or anything like that. So as you can see, I've logged into WordPress on the dashboard again. If you come down here under WooCommerce, there's a products tab, so you click on the products tab and it'll take you through to a list of products that already exist. So as you can see, I've already created a test product, but we won't worry about that. To create a new product, you just add product. To edit a product, you just press edit, or quick edit, but edit is probably the better way to go. So press add product, and then we give it a name. So we'll say this is test number 2. Here we add a description, and this page I'm just going to flick over to a product that we created earlier and copy it across just so that you can see what I'm doing. So we just copy rather than me having to create text. Put that in there. As you can see, there's a king and queen size available. So what that means is that we have in Woo, we have simple products and we also have variable products. I'm not going to worry about the other 2 products at the moment because they're difficult to explain, and simple and variable is enough for this video. So a simple product is just one option. So if it comes in one size, one color, and that's it, then basically you'd give it a price. That's at $100, and here is your Yoast down here, and let's say that the keyword for this is test, and then that's basically done. You can have a short description as well, so this can say test number 2, and then basically you're done, and that's a simple product. So, and press publish. So now I'm going to actually add a variable product. The process is very much the same. Again, you add a product. We'll call this test variable. We can copy this here again. So this time, instead of using the simple product option, we're going to use the variable product option. You can see that the screen changes. So under the variable product, you actually have to do 2 of these tabs, attributes and also variations. So we'll start with attributes. In fact, we always start with attributes because otherwise variations doesn't work. So we come to attributes. We can select from the drop-down list. However, we're going to add them at the moment, and we're going to say sizes. So we're going to just basically call this sizes. If you read this quickly, enter some text or some attributes, and this is the separating sign, so it's the straight line. So if we want to go small, medium, and large, okay. Really key here, put a tick box in use for variations, and then we press save attributes. Once that's saved, we can jump over to variations, and we want to use from the drop-down list, create variations from all attributes, and then we press the go button. You'll always get a pop-up like this and like this, and then you've got your 3 different variations. So if you go down and expand these, and each of these 3 are exactly the same inside, so I'll only go through one of them. Obviously, if you want to keep stock or anything here, it enables you to separate your stock listings and all that sort of stuff. So you've got stock for small, stock for medium, and stock for large. You can also change the prices if you wish. Mostly, I guess they would be the same, but it's entirely up to you how you do that. So the regular price here is all you really need to enter for price. So let's say that this item is $400. If you want to add weight and dimensions, you can, depending on your shipping. We've already set up shipping for this in the back end, so we'll just select the relevant shipping class. Down here, this website has been set up with US dollars as the main dollars, and with a converter. So you just basically leave the regular price in Australian blank, and it will tell it that the live conversion rate, it will calculate from that. It's a very bad description, but hopefully that makes sense. And we'll just do quickly the same here. $300. Same, change it slightly, and then we can have $600 for the large, and we can charge $40 for shipping. And then we just press save changes. So that is done. Again, we just press publish. Now I'm going to show you both of the products that we've created. We haven't added a product image, so to set your product image, which I probably should have shown you earlier, is just press set product image. If you've got the image in your gallery already, select it from here. Otherwise you can upload your image same as you would normally. Make sure that it is optimized for web. And if you don't know how to do that, please watch my video on how to do so. Just looking for some already optimized images. Okay. Alright, I'm going to be bad and teach you bad examples by using a non-optimized image. Downloads for this example. Now with your images here, don't forget you also have to add an alt text. So it should be a variation of your keyword. So in the product, we use the keyword test. So here we might have test yoga, for example. Google can't see what an image is. So these words, the alt text is what Google reads, so that's what it thinks that it is. Okay, so this is really important. It helps with your SEO, and you should have alt text on every single image. Okay, so we can update this. If we hadn't have pressed publish before, the publish button would still have been there, and we could have done it that way. Right, and we're done. So now we can view the product. I'll open this in another link just so that we can go back to our list of products. I'll show you the other one next. Okay, don't know why our image hasn't come through. It's a bit strange, but you'll see that we have our small, medium, large options. We can add them to the cart, and that's basically done. So I'm just going to go back here and see why the image didn't come in. Maybe it hadn't loaded properly. Yeah. It's a bit strange. Let's try this again. It's there now. See what happens. Okay. So she appears to be there. Let's give it another go. Ah, that's much better. So you can see, here's your product description. Here is your sizes, so the variations that we set up. Obviously the name, so this gives you the variety of prices that are between your options. And that's about it. So that's your variable. if we go back here and we go back to our products once again, and here is our, obviously we didn't, so here's your short description up the top here, your long description, and again just the single price here, and again add to cart. That's all for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Please don't forget to add your alt text and your SEO keyword to each of your products. Thanks, bye.